Today, we're diving into the exciting world of WhatsApp channels. Whether you're looking to create a platform for sharing updates, engaging with followers, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap on the Updates section, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Create to start a new channel. Enter a name for your channel and tap on Create Channel. Add a description for your channel to let viewers know what it's about. You have multiple sharing options. Share the link via WhatsApp. Share it as your WhatsApp status. Copy the link to share on any other social media platform. Customize your channel. Choose which emojis followers can use. Set other preferences according to your choice. Access your channel anytime from the Channels tab. Add new posts or updates as you like. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.